Section 1. Head-to-head Alpha Jet versus HAL Kiran. Get ready for a jet trainer showdown. In this corner, we have the European collaboration, the Dassault Dornier Alpha Jet. And in the other corner, hailing from India, it's the Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, HAL Kiran. These two aircraft might look similar at first glance, but trust me, they have distinct personalities. We're going to break down their designs, their capabilities, and see how they stack up as both trainers and light attack aircraft. Fasten your seatbelts, it's going to be a wild ride. Let's get this show on the road. Section 2. Design and purpose, built for different missions. Now, let's dive into the Alpha Jet. This sleek bird was designed with a clear purpose to train pilots from multiple NATO countries. It's a crucial part of their training programs. The Alpha Jet features a tandem cockpit, meaning the instructor sits directly behind the student pilot. This setup gives the instructor a great view, perfect for keeping an eye on those rookie mistakes. It ensures that the instructor can provide immediate feedback and guidance. Plus, the Alpha Jet was built to be tough, ready to take the knocks of constant training flights. It can handle the rigorous demands of repeated takeoffs, landings, and aerial maneuvers. The HAL Kiran, on the other hand, is a bit of an all-rounder, showcasing its versatility in various roles. It was initially designed for the Indian Air Force, with training as its primary role. The Kiran has been a staple in the Indian Air Force's training regimen for years. But the Kiran also had to be adaptable for ground attack missions if needed. This dual capability makes it a valuable asset in different scenarios. It's a bit like the Swiss Army knife of the skies, ready to switch roles at a moment's notice. So, different designs, different goals. Each aircraft was built with a specific mission in mind, tailored to meet the needs of their respective air forces. Let's see how that translates to performance. We'll explore how these design philosophies impact their capabilities in the air. Section 3. Performance face-off, speed, range, and climb. Let's dive into the details and see how these aircraft stack up against each other. All right, time to talk numbers. This is where the real comparison begins. The Alpha Jet boasts a top speed of around 730 miles per hour. That's impressive for a trainer aircraft, making it one of the fastest in its class. That's seriously quick for a trainer. It allows pilots to experience high-speed flight conditions, preparing them for advanced aircraft. It can also travel over 800 miles without needing to refuel. This extended range is crucial for long training missions and operational flexibility. That means it can cover a lot of ground, essential for those long training sorties. Pilots can practice navigation and endurance over extended distances. And when it comes to climbing, the Alpha Jet can shoot up at over 5,000 feet per minute. This rapid ascent capability is vital for quick altitude changes during training exercises. That's like taking an express elevator to the clouds. It ensures that pilots can handle steep climbs and high-altitude operations. Now, the Kiran is no slouch either. It has its own set of impressive performance metrics. It can hit a respectable top speed of about 520 miles per hour. While not as fast as the Alpha Jet, it's still quite capable for its intended role. Its range is a bit more limited, coming in at around 400 miles. This shorter range is suitable for regional training missions and shorter sorties. And in the climb department, the Kiran reaches about 4,000 feet per minute. Not too shabby. This climb rate is adequate for most training scenarios. As you can see, the Alpha Jet edges out the Kiran in pure performance. However, each aircraft has its own strengths and is designed for specific training needs. But remember, the Kiran was designed with different priorities in mind. It focuses on cost effectiveness and ease of maintenance, making it an excellent choice for basic training. Section 4. Engines roar. Powering the Alpha Jet and Kiran. These aircraft are marvels of engineering, and their engines are nothing short of extraordinary. Let's talk engines, the heart of any aircraft. They are the driving force that makes flight possible, turning raw power into graceful motion. The Alpha Jet packs two Turbomeca Larzac turbofan engines. These engines are designed for performance and reliability. These powerhouses give it that impressive thrust and allow for those nippy maneuvers. They enable the Alpha Jet to perform complex aerobatics with ease. Think of it like having two sports car engines strapped to your wings. The power and agility are simply unmatched. The HAL Kiran, on the other hand, relies on a single Rolls-Royce Viper turbojet engine. This engine is known for its robustness and efficiency. Now, a single engine might seem like a disadvantage, but it simplifies maintenance, a big plus for a trainer. Less complexity means easier upkeep and lower costs. And don't let that single engine fool you. The Kiran can still hold its own in the sky. Two engines versus one, each has its own strengths. It's a classic aviation debate, but both approaches have their merits. Whether it's the dual engine power of the Alpha Jet or the simplicity of the Kiran, each aircraft is a testament to engineering excellence.